Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025. Quick summary on yesterday. I did not post a video. I was out all night and I wasn't able to get to the house and edit the video and finish the recording and all that. So just to let you guys know, I finished the day with 4 trades, 3 losers, 1 winner, minus 1 R on the day. Small loser, manageable loser. And today we look to continue to do the same thing we've been doing these past couple days, and hopefully we continue to grow these accounts. So I'll let you guys see what trades we get. All right, guys. So I just got filled there on this setup, pretty early morning setup. As you guys see here, change of state of delivery happened on this one strong bearish candle. Price created a nice decent sized gap here, waited for the price to pull back into it. Boom, we are in it. No ifs, ands, or buts. Gotta execute the trade, right? Stop losses here at this minor swing pivot, and we're just gonna wait around and see what happens, right? I'll be back and I'll update you guys shortly. All right, guys, back on the charts here. Just wanted to update you guys on this trade. Ended up working out against us. Had a crazy volatility spike right here, and price just went against us and took us out for a full minus 1R. This was the biggest move of the day, 70 points in about 3 minutes. Unfortunate, it did go against us. Wish it would have gone down rather than up, but again, we do not control the market. I do not control the outcome. I don't know what happened there that made the price fluctuate like that or move like that. It is what it is. Now all we're going to do is wait another hour. We'll come back around 10-ish, see if we can take any valid setups. We're going to make sure we're patient, disciplined, execute to the best of our abilities. Whatever happens, happens, guys. I'll be back. All right, guys. Possible long here. If we can get... Okay, there we go. Got that fill there. Here, pretty straightforward setup here, guys. Change of state of delivery on the M2. Boom. Small little size gap here, but it is a gap. Price waited for price to pull back into it. Pulled back here. Stop losses to the swing pivot right here. A+ setup, right? We don't control the outcome. We don't control what happens once we get in the trade. We just control the process and make sure we enter in the trade. Now we're just along for the ride, and I'll update you guys here in a bit, let you know what happens. All right, guys. Pretty close to being stopped out here. About 2 points away, 1 point. Stop filled right there. All right, guys. 2 trades, 2 losers. It is what it is, right? We don't control that. Now we're getting a change of state of delivery to the bearish side, so now we're looking for any possible short setups. And again, we're going to be super patient, super disciplined, wait for the next setup. Whatever happens after that, that's what happens, right? Make sure we're focused on the process, and I'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, so we are in on this trade now. It's a NQ short. Again, guys, got the change of state of delivery here. Nice, strong move up. Took a while for it to close below it, but it finally closed below, gave a nice little gap right here. Boom, waited for price to pull back into it. As you guys know, that is my setup. Been super patient in the after lunch session. As you guys see, took this loss here, which was almost 2 hours ago, and just been waiting. No valid setups. I did miss one earlier, and then price just ran up. So now we're in on this setup. It's a valid setup. Again, I don't control the outcome, don't control what happens here. We're just along for the ride, and we're going to let the market do what it wants to do. We're going to manage our risk, and I'll let you guys know how it all plays out. So I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys. As you guys can see here, 12:45. We're still in this trade. Trade kind of went in our favor here, pretty close to taking profit. Not there yet though. Since it's 12:45, we're moving our stop loss to break even before the market on closing balance. That comes out at 12:50, and hopefully it decides to shoot down these last couple points that we need for a full take profit. But if not, we're reducing our risk. The worst we could do today is minus 2R, and we'll see how it wants to play out. So I'll be back and I'll update you guys shortly. All right, guys. Stop filling. There you guys have it. Just got stopped out on that trade there. Move stop loss to break even, as you guys know. Market on closing balance came out, I guess, bullish. Took me out at least for break even. Calling that a day there, guys. Finishing off the day. I'll show you guys the P&Ls right now. All right, guys. Here we are on the Apex dashboard. Here you guys can see the P&Ls for the day. Minus 2R. Nothing too crazy. Now on the week, we're now minus 2R because of today. Nothing we can't come back from. Nothing too crazy. Here you guys can see the trades. Took 3 trades all the total. 1 break even, 2 losers. Here you guys can see P&L minus 445. Here are the executions. Was in that trade for 2 hours and 20 minutes just for it to be a loser. And the other 2 trades are right here as well. So here I'll show you guys my photo futures. 2R minus 458, and Tradeify 4 accounts minus 458 as well. So guys, pretty decent day. Patience, discipline, execution. Again, that's what we're mainly focusing on, and the outcome will take care of itself, right? I don't control the outcome, and it's ignorant for me to think that I do control the outcome in any type of way while I'm trading sim-funded accounts that absolutely affect the market 0%. So me just hanging on for the ride. That's all I can do, and making sure I'm patient and disciplined, waiting for my setups, and once they present themselves, I execute. Today we did have one execution error. I missed one long opportunity that was a valid setup that I had my order out. I just placed it a little bit too late and I was never filled. Price went straight to my full take profit. So today in the journal, I'm going to put that it should have been a break-even day, but unfortunately due to my own fault, my errors, that I wasn't able to execute on the right time at the right time, we ended up with a minus 2R. So that is my fault. And these are the little things that we look to clean up, right? So overall, solid day though. And tomorrow we'll come back, look to do the same thing, and hopefully we have better results tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Peace.